What's trailing behind it?
I don't.
See that light?
Yeah, I don't know.
What is that?
I don't know.
Holy crap, Kate! When did
It's
that
it's
happen?
something shooting off into the atmosphere.
Yeah,
Is what it is.
Whatever that little bright light thing is behind it that keeps flashing. Super bright.
Well,
There goes another one.
It's it's setting off. That's a rocket, and that's what they do. Is they drop off the different loads in the different stages.
Rocket! I'm so glad we saw it.
And that's exactly what they look like too.
I haven't seen one of these in eons. We used to see them from Palmdale. That is so gnarly. That little one too, around behind it is crazy too. It's almost keeping up with the big one.
Wow, that's crazy.